Hello, good afternoon students, how are you? Welcome to session, one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. मैं हूँ सुरेश अवारी, फैकल्टी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. आपके सामने आज पेश कर रहा हूँ isomerism in complex compounds. So this isomerism in complex compounds, actually the inorganic chemistry, the complex compounds is going to be little lengthier topics. In this topic, you are going to get a question from the NEET examination from various topics. The probable topic is going to be one of these, isomerism, and also you can have the isomerism nomenclature and Werner theory and valence bond theory, crystal field theory, magnetic movement and colors and metal carbonyls, applications and any more what not. You are going to expect कम से कम एक दो क्वेश्चंस मिलना के ये टॉपिक से संभावना है कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड से. सो आज शुरुआत से कर लेता हूं मैं ये कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स, आइसोमेरिज्म, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ आइसोमेरिज्म दैट कैन बी सीन. आर यू रेडी? Okay, very good, nice. Now let us talk about, before going for this isomerism, I just want to mention a few things from what Infinity Learn is doing for the students who are preparing for NEET examination. Let's talk. This is the 4 students that is example of the what is the glory of Infinity Learn, and these are the benefit. And Ashrita, Akil Verma, Hemadyuti and Satyanarayan, you can see they got the difference in the marks between NEET 2023 and NEET 2024. In that you can see Ashrita got 310 marks in NEET 2023 and in NEET 2024 she got 661. You can see how much mark there is an increment. Hi Kushi Gupta, good afternoon. I think you attended from your device, right? Not your brother's device. Huh? Okay. Anyways, Akil Verma, NEET 2023, he got 313 marks, just 313 marks. So by taking the classes with Infinity Learn, he got 658 marks. There is a 345 marks increment. Oh, what an awesome score it is. And Hemadyuti, she got just like her 310 marks in 2023. After S in the preparation of NEET from Infinity Learn, she got 652. And they are proud doctors now, right, Kushi? And you want to be like that. Satyanarayan, you see, NEET 2023, he got 330 marks and he become 650. इतना score बढ़ गया. So 300 से 600 के ऊपर तक. So the score is almost more than a double. So double your score with a proper preparation, and that preparation strategies are given by Infinity Learn courses. है ना? And Kushi, right? And crack your NEET and reserve your medical seat. And for that you should be preparing the NEET examination with a lot of dedication. So for that you just attend the classes on regular basis on the YouTube channel, and definitely you will be getting a very good score and you will be getting a seat, and of course you can be a topper. आप सही सुना है, you will be topper. Why not? So please like these sessions, share with your friends and subscribe to NEET Infinity Learn channel. Right, Kushi? Now let us see, we are in SEO test preparation with Infinity Learn, and we have Infinity Learn meta apps, and in that Infinity Learn app you can see live classes, mock test, create your own test, and 24/7 doubt resolution program. Many more are available, and you can see we are on the social media for the better connectivity, and you just see Instagram, Facebook, Telegram and many more. Right now you are on a YouTube channel, and if you see this Telegram channel, this Telegram channel delivers a lot for that daily quiz, schedules of the every session, and every session notes in the PDF format, and assignments and many more are available in this Infinity Learn Telegram channel. Are you there? In this description box Everything is available, and you can just click those links and you can get the most out of it, right? And give me 2 more minutes so that I'll complete the formalities, and you will be experiencing coordination compounds isomerism. Now let us see. India's first AI enabled test preparation is seen that it is implemented by Infinity Lane. Can you believe it? And any doubt, any question, anything, the artificial intelligence is nowadays is emerging, and Infinity Lane got that opportunity, you guys. You can get appropriate NEET examination preparation by AI powered. So from there you can just see this QR code, you can scan it, you will get the details about that. And in that AI driven program, self study is there, learn, practice and revise, and conceptual videos and mock test and preparations, and also flashcards are available, and the test and paper analysis there, live classes are also, many more goal settings, and this can give you the best out of it, right? Now let's talk about one more important thing. This is for you, the score examination. What is this score examination? It is India's largest scholarship test examination. It is commenced from 9th October. Every week it will be conducted, and it is purely online. You can sit at your home and you can write the examination, and we have that. And what is this? This score examination may be for only Infinity Lane students, or no, it can be everybody who is between grade 3 to grade 12. We are offering this examination. You may be connected to Sri Chaitanya or Infinity, or you may not be connected, but this particular test is for everybody. You may be in some other school or college, still you are eligible to write this, and you can get many more. And say kya halat hai? Scholarship worth 1 crore rupees. So that's why it is said to be India's largest scholarship examination. And also study setup and laptop bhi aapko diya jayega, and educational allowances, and up to 100% scholarships are available by using this core examination. Why late? It is there in the description box. You all click it and you are going to get this link, and form bharo and score examination likhne ka shuru karo, and it gives a lot of encouragement to you guys, है ना? And 1 crore rupees का scholarship है. Don't forget it. And खुशी, आप enroll किया नहीं? Okay. Anyways, at last but not least, when you are preparing for NEET examination, the NEET examination preparation should be benchmarked by an appropriate assessments. These assessments can be with a proper examination system, and that is NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack. So now we are, arre Kushi abhi karna hai. It is there in the pinned messages, you can see. You check the pinned messages that are available. Okay, you can click it and you can enroll a score examination. अरे कम से कम कुछ लैपटॉप मिलने की कोशिश करो, स्टडी टेबल भी मिलेगा. Okay, score. Okay, anyways, let's talk about NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, and these are the features of this test series pack. You can see there are 27 AITS. There are 27 AITS examinations are there. Yeshu, good afternoon. How are you? And in that you have 13 unit test, 4 part test and 10 grand test. It is based on NEET preparation. And also 20 online NEET full syllabus examinations will be there. And also class 11 and class 12 full syllabus coverage किया जाएगा उसमें. And also 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions along with video solutions आपके सामने available है, and also many more facilities are there. 3 physics, chemistry, biology books are available, and along with video solutions on the app. Okay, so आजकल नया आ रहा है क्या क्लास को, यशु वर्ल्ड. सो डिटेल सॉल्यूशंस, हर एग्जामिनेशन का जो पेपर है ना, डिटेल सॉल्यूशंस भी अवेलेबल है, वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस भी अवेलेबल है, एंड बेंचमार्किंग विथ श्री चैतन्य स्टूडेंट्स. ये अच्छा बात है क्योंकि श्री चैतन्य इज द वो इंडियाज नंबर 1 कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन प्लेटफॉर्म. On that platform you are writing examination and comparing your performance with Sri Chaitanya, so that it is a very important opportunity, you guys. And the past question, the cost of this is going to be 5,000 rupees 999. 5,999 था, अभी आपका सस्ता में मिलेगा 4,799 तक. सो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? ये स्पेशल डिस्काउंट सिर्फ आपके लिए, क्योंकि इसमें एक चीज़ है, आप एक कूपन कोड एंटर करना पड़ता है सुरेश 20, तभी आपको डिस्काउंट निकल जाएगा. इट इज़ देयर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ये टेस्ट प्रिप का लिंक डाला हुआ. सो एवरीबडी प्लीज क्लिक दैट लिंक सो दैट you can get this opportunity, right? Okay, now any doubt with that? So खुशी गुप्ता, आप एनरोल किया टेस्ट सीरीज में एंड स्कोर एग्जामिनेशन में भी है? हाँ, कर लेता हूं, ठीक है. सो हैपन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स, isomerism. So isomerism in complexes. Complex compounds have the same molecular formula but differ in their properties are called isomers. Iso मतलब क्या? Same. Mer मतलब क्या? Molecule. So the compound have the same molecular formula but differ in their properties are called isomers, and this phenomena is known as isomerism. कैसे एनरोल करें? Okay, it is there in the description box, dear students. It is there in the description box. You can see score examination का link a description box में. Yashu, no problem. I will teach you English as well as Hindi, no problem. Yes, in the chart box you can see. In the chart box you can see score examination description box. It is available. In the description box it is available. Score examination link is available. You got it, Kushi Gupta? Ah, yes. You click it and you enroll it. ठीक है, fine. कर दिया? So, Yashu, you got it? You please click the link on it. Okay, let's go ahead with this. And for this you want to take, for this you want to take, you can simply scan this QR code. Definitely you will get it. Okay, anyways, let us go ahead as far as these formalities are concerned. Yes. Okay. So the complex compounds have the same molecular formula but different their properties are called isomers, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism. Let us talk about the details about the isomerism, and I can guarantee you that at the end of this session, today is not a long session, it is mostly moderately a short session, and at the end of the session you are going to get a couple of questions as well, and I can guarantee you that you can crack any type of question based on the isomerism, right? Yeah. हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप भी कभी भी कर सकते हैं, but don't miss that opportunity. Kushi Gupta? Okay, now let's talk about isomerism. So just like organic chemistry, isomerism is available. Previous day we discussed about isomerism in the organic compounds. याद है? Kushi Gupta, you were there in the class. Okay, आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं isomerism complex compounds का. So complex compounds का isomerism basically is of two types. One is structural isomerism and another one is stereoisomerism. Compound having same molecular formula but differ in the structures are called structural isomerism, whereas a compound having same molecular formula, same structure, but they differ in the orientation of a group or atom or a ligand around the central metal atom in the complex is called stereoisomerism. And in that case, structural isomerism is further classified into here ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, or solvate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordinate isomerism, coordinate position isomerism. इतना सारा availability है आपका. And also stereoisomerism, you have two varieties. One is geometrical isomerism, another one यशो, another one optical isomerism. जब optical isomerism आता है ना, दिमाग उड़ जाता है. Hey Stella, good morning. You are from Nigeria. Nice to see. Please attend the class, Stella. Nice. Good to see. What class are you studying, Stella? What class are you studying? So going in forward, isomerism is broadly classified into structural and stereo, and structural isomerism is ionization isomerism, hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordinate isomerism, coordinate position isomerism, and stereoisomerism is a geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Now let us talk about the ionization isomerism. Definitely it's going to be a good concept discussion for today's class. So ionization isomerism, compounds have the same molecular formula but differ in the ions they furnish when they dissolve in the water are called ionization isomerism. Mallikarjun, good afternoon. You are from Karnataka. Okay. Kushalama, all fine. So preparing for NEET, how you are preparing for NEET? What about your confidence level, Mallikarjun? Kushi Gupta, she is attending classes regularly. She is improvising her confidence level. है कि ना? खुशी गुप्ता, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ रहे हैं ना हमारे क्लासों के साथ? यशो, hope you are understanding. Let's talk about the ionization energy, ionization isomerism. The coordination compound exhibiting this type of isomerism give different ions when they dissolve in the solution. It occurs when the counter ion on coordination compound itself potential ligand. I can say self, what is the meaning of self potential ligand? So that ligand can be an isomer, that can be an ion after the coordination sphere, they can exist in the ionic sphere as well as in the coordination sphere. Kushi Gupta, right? Okay, now first time you are attending my class, you try to attend my class on the regular basis. Definitely Mallikarjun, you can definitely improve your NEET examination score. We are discussing this topics in every day on the topic basis, and these topics that we do are related to straight away line by line punch from the NCERT, and every line in a crystal clear way from the NCERT will be discussed and it can be given in the NEET examination. So the topic has a plan. In that plan, every subtopic a question will be discussed. है ना? Yashu? Yeah, definitely. So I just want to say this particular point. This can happen. This can happen when the counter ion in a coordination compound itself is a potential ligand. What is the meaning of a potential ligand? That is my question. So it is a different terminology you use. So when a ligand is there, that ligand should be able to present inside the coordination sphere and outside the coordination sphere. I mean to say inside the square bracket and outside the square bracket. That makes this different ions. Let's say example PtCl2NH3Br2 and PtBr2NH3Cl2. So these are the examples. When you talk about this PT Cl2 NH3 4 times and Br2 and Pt Br2 NH3 4 times and Cl2. So after looking at this, yes, sure, definitely I can make you will be very happy and very confident at the end of the session. So when this is ionized, anything, mind it, anything outside the square bracket can be converted into ion, but not inside the square bracket. That is the trick. So here Pt Cl2 NH3 4 times and close the square bracket, and 2Br is going out. 2Br is going out means it is going to get 2 plus, है ना? Talking about this Pt Br2 NH3 4 times and 2 chlorines are outside the square bracket. 2 Cl minus is coming out 2 plus. So what is that? What is that? You can say when this particular compound is ionized, bromide ions are coming out. When this particular compound is ionized, dissolved in the water, chloride ions are coming out. Bromide ions, they are providing different ion, they are furnishing different ions. Now you check this molecular formula, these two molecular formula or empirical formula are going to be same. So the compound having the same molecular formula, but they differ in the nature of their ions that is generated when they dissolve in the water. They are called ionization isomers, and this phenomena is known as ionization isomerism. Yashu and Stella, Mallikarjun, Kushi Gupta, please reply in the chat box a thumbs up and fiery emoji, so that let us continue with these examples. Fine, do it, make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. Okay, now let's talk about hydrate isomerism. This is otherwise called solvate isomerism, just like ionization isomerism. If the ligand is staying inside the square bracket and outside the square bracket, if that ligand is the water molecule, that is what you can say, it is hydrate isomerism. Yes. So this form of isomerism known as hydrate isomerism in case of water is involved as a solvent, or is also called as solvate isomerism. It is also called as solvate isomerism. So example in this, for example, there is a 3 isomers possible for hexahydrates of chromium chloride with empirical formula CrCl3 6H2O. So based on this, definitely you will be getting NCERT based NEET examination questions, like you can see. So CrH2O6, Cl3, 3 chlorides are there outside the square bracket, which appears violet in color. 1 chlorine goes in, 1 water molecule comes out. This is a pale bluish green color. So once the ligand is changing its position, its properties are changing. CrCl2H2O Cl .2H2O, dark green in color. Changing the water molecule in its coordination sphere to ionization sphere changes the properties as well. This is the best example I can give. All 3 structures that are given are having the same empirical formula, but they have the different structural formula and the different properties. They are called hydrate isomers here. So water is a ligand, is acting as in hydrate as well. This is called hydrate isomerism or solvate isomerism. It's a type of structural isomerism. आगे बढ़ना, खुशी गुप्ता, समझ में आ रही क्या? So Yashu World, what is your actual name, beta? Mallikarjun. Definitely stoichiometry. We are going to conduct an exam, a session, exclusive session on stoichiometry in the next week. As you requested, you give me the day and time. I am going to put that in my schedule. I am ready for my students. Whatever you want, you ask me. We are going to provide you the services. It is the promise given by the Infinity Lane. I am the representative of Infinity Lane. You ask whatever the topic, I am going to explain you. Okay, but as of now, today's topic is going to be coordination compounds. Okay, so let's see. आगे बढ़ने के लिए अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो पूछना. स्कोर एग्जाम लिंक पे स्कोर एग्जाम लिंक. So moving ahead, dear children, moving ahead, stoichiometry next week definitely for you I am going to explain. Fine? Yashu, you didn't tell your actual name, and I am going to put that score examination link in the chat box. मिल गया? Now, आगे बढ़ना है. So, apart from this distinctive colors, violet, bluish green, dark green, the three isomers can be identified by the addition of excess aqueous silver nitrate. So that this is going to ionize, this particular going to ionize to gives rise Cr, H2O, 6, 3Cl minus and 3 plus. And this is the structure. It is on ionization gives rise Cr, H2O5, Cl plus 2Cl minus. And this is the structure. On ionization gives rise Cr, Cl2, H2O4 plus and Cl minus. Now you can see the number of moles of chlorides are precipitated 3:2:1. So 3:2:1 like that. Like that you can say 3:2:1. That Yashashwini from Chittor. Okay, I will come and visit Chittor maybe in this 2025. Okay, so nice. And you said that you are from Karnataka. Okay, that Mallikarjun from Karnataka. Okay, no problem. Right, so this is the logic version. We study hydrate isomerism. I will tell you the tricks. We study hydrate isomerism, we by heart the definition. We observe these examples. So based on these examples, you are asked to connect with the number of AgCl molecules that can be precipitated, and that ratio has to be identified. That is the key point in this NEET or any competitive examination. So Kushi, fine. Mallikarjun, yes, you are from Bihar. अच्छा बात है. क्या नालंदा, बक्सर, कौन सा जगह से आप? बिहार से. Which place? And you are given a link in the chat box. Score examination का. Everybody, खुशी सिर्फ आपके लिए, सब के लिए एक क्लास में. Please click that link that is available. Okay, and you can just enroll your score examination. Okay, score examination का लिंक देखा खुशी गुप्ता? स्कोर एग्जामिनेशन का लिंक देगा? Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is a super awesome point that I want to give you. Super awesome point. And linkage isomerism. This linkage isomerism is a type of isomerism. Yes, Shivan. Okay. So the linkage isomerism is possible when the ambidentate ligand is present. What is the meaning of ambidentate ligand? The ligand which has the ability to bind with any one of the atom, like Cn minus, okay, can have Cn minus, cyano, isocyano, okay, and NO2 minus, nitrito O or nitrito N, SCN minus, cyanato, thiocyanato, isothiocyanato, like that. So I just want to say coordination compounds having ambidentate ligands like NO2, nitro, thiocyano exhibit this type of linkage isomerism is very important. And for example, CONH3NO2. So this cobalt and nitrogen are linked. So this is nitrito N wala has two isomeric forms, red and yellow colors. And the red color shows ONO nitrito O and NO2 nitrito and yellow wala. Yes. Now also in the first cation we have cobalt से oxygen का जुड़ा है. So the linkage between oxygen to cobalt. And the second one is going to be cobalt to nitrogen is linked. That is what you can say nitrito N. And also you can see CONH3ONOCl2. It is a red in color. Pentaamine nitrito O cobalt 3 chloride, which is red in color, लाल वाला है, and pentaamine nitrito N cobalt 3 chloride, it is yellow in color. Also coordination isomerism, and I am explaining this topic so simply, and get ready, some questions are available, and coordination isomerism, when coordination isomer compounds both positive and negative ions, complex ions, then the complex where both cationic as well as anionic species or complex entities, this coordination isomerism is available. There is an interexchange between the ligands and the central atom, that is what you can say coordination isomerism. And you can say CONH36 and CrNCN6. And if cyanide is there with the chromium, ammonia is there with the cobalt, let us assume अगर cyanide cobalt के साथ रहना है, ammonia chromium का साथ रहना है, so that you are going to get one more combination. So this complex is a coordinate isomers. Kushi, Yashashwini, Mallikarjun. Similarly, ammonia is there with copper and chlorine is with platinum. You can say chlorine with platinum, copper, and ammonia with platinum. Like that, a pair of coordination isomers are available. Any doubt? And this coordination isomers, this type of isomerism is observed when metal ion is in different oxidation states. When the metal ions are in the different oxidation states. And also you can take a platinum plus 2 ammonia, platinum plus 4 chlorine. Now exchange is taking place. Platinum, ammonium and dichlorine and platinum tetrachloride. So specific type of coordination isomerism is called position isomerism, which is observed in cyclic complex compounds. We are going to discuss about the coordinate position isomerism. That is not actually that important as far as NCERT part is concerned, but we have to study that. Coordinate position isomerism. That happened a polynuclear complex. What is the mononuclear complex? What are the polynuclear complex? A mononuclear complex means in the coordination sphere only one central atom is there, and polynuclear complex means a coordination entity more than one central atom will be there. So, if they interexchange the ligands between the metal nucleus and rise to the coordination position isomerism. So, let us talk about here cobalt with ammonium with diamine chloride. So, there are two cobalts are there. In these two cobalts, chlorine एक ही cobalt का साथ है. Now, if you see the chlorines are with two cobalt. So, their position of the ligands with different central atoms are there. Such are called coordination position isomerism, and it happens only in the case of polynuclear complex. So, let us talk about geometrical isomerism. ये काफ़ी important का, बहुत important का. Stereoisomerism, ionization isomerism are the key isomers that you can extract so many questions from this particular isomerism chapter is concerned. So, compounds have the same molecular formula and differ in their structure are called structural isomers, and the structural isomers are completed. Let us talk about the stereoisomers. Compound having the same molecular formula, same structure, but differ in the orientation of the ligands around the space of the central atom are called stereoisomers. And the stereoisomers is further two types. One is geometrical isomers, another one is optical isomers. Okay, and let us talk about the geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomerism is generally observed in the square planar complexes as well as octahedral complexes. If the two same ligands combine to a metal ions or nearby positions of each other, then that isomer is called cis, and if they are in the opposite positions, they are called as trans. Cis trans isomers, what you can say is the geometrical isomers. So, let us go into the details about the geometrical isomerism in the coordination compound, coordination number 4. So, the coordination number 4, it could be sp3 होगा, sp sp2 होगा. अगर sp3 होना तो टीट्राहेड्रल बनेगा and dsp2 होने तो स्क्वायर प्लानर बनेगा. So, we do not talk about the geometrical isomerism in the tetrahedral complex because the relative positions are same. Assertion reasoning questions can also be getting from the NEET examination based on this. Okay, dear children. Now, coordination number 4, square planar complex का tetrahedral complexes never exhibit geometrical isomerism. That is a very important point. Statement based questions from the NEET examinations. Statement based assertion reason. So, Kushi Gupta, Ashwini, tell me the reason why. Tell me the reason why. Children, I am asking a question. Why tetrahedral complexes do not show geometrical isomerism? Due to the relative position of the atoms in the space are same. Got my point? And talking about, however, it is very common in square planar complexes like dsp2 hybridization. So, let us talk about this is square planar, I will give you. ML4 tetrahedral complex do not show cis trans isomerism since ligands are in the different directions. What is that? ML4, M is a central atom and ligands, you can see the central atom, and you can see ligand here and ligand here and ligand here and ligand here. So, whenever you change here and there, you do not have the different orientations. So, they do not show. Let us add one more. MEBCD has 3 geometrical isomers, 2 cis and 1 trans. So example I just want to show. MA2B2 shows also cis and trans, like you see MA2B2. So A is a ligand, B is a ligand. You can say 2 chlorines are on the opposite side, square planar complex. 2 ammonias are on the opposite side, they are trans. And similarly, M is a platinum and A2 and it is B2. It is a cis isomer. If the same groups are on the same side, it is a cis, and opposite side, that is a trans. Also we can have geometrical isomerism in the complex compounds having the coordination number 6. Whenever coordination number 6, its geometry is going to be Kushi Gupta. इसका geometry क्या हो सकते हैं? Coordination number 6 का geometry. Yashashwini, Mallikarjun, come on, what is the coordination? Number 6 होगा. Whenever coordination number 6 is there, what is the geometry? If you know, you tell me. Arey, be interactive in this YouTube channel. The sessions are going to be live interactive session. A radio transmission nahi hoga. Okay? Okay. Radio transmission nahi hoga. इसमें होता है, the octahedral structure, if M is the metal and you are going to have 6 number, it is going to have different cis and trans isomers are possible. So how they are? So M is A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, B and B, B. And A are in the same side, it is called as a cis isomer. हाँ, खुशी. Okay, coordination number, मतलब क्या? Number of bonds formed by central atom with the ligands is called as coordination number. So if this is the central atom, it is central atom iron forming a coordinate bond. कितना coordinate bonds form कर रहे? 6. So coordination number 6. So the structure is going to be octahedral. In that, 2 similar groups are on the same side is called as a cis, and 2 similar groups are on the opposite side, that is called as a trans. 2 similar groups are in the opposite side, that is called as a trans. A is here, A is here, that is called a trans. अभी समझ में आ रहा है क्या खुशी गुप्ता? बढ़िया बात है. Nice. So with that you can say MA2B4. This is called MA2B4, and it can have a cis and it can have a trans. है ना? It can have a cis and trans. And also you can say FeNH3 twice and CN4 minus. Kushi, come on. Yes, that's good. Nice. So 2 CN or ammonia are in the same side. You can say this is a cis isomer, whereas here 2 NH3 are in the opposite side, that is what you call it as a trans isomer. ठीक है? And you can see the in octahedral structure, if M is the metal, ions 3 ligands on the types are A, B are present in the type of geometrical isomerism. MA3B3 type facial and meridional isomers are possible. Facial isomers is said to be FAQ. Meridional isomer is said to be MER. FAQ and MER isomers are possible. So an example you can see, so this is a facial isomer. What is the meaning of a facial isomer and what is the meaning of a meridional isomer? In the facial isomer, this is a one face of the octahedron. One face of the octahedron. In this one face of the octahedron, you are going to have similar ligands, that is called facial isomers. And you can see in the meridional line, in this meridional line of the octahedral base, you are going to have the same ligands, that is called meridional isomer. You can see CO, NO2 thrice and NH3 thrice. you can say Ma3B3 style. In Ma3B3 style, you can have facial and meridional geometrical isomers is very very important. खुशी और एक एग्जाम्पल सिर्फ आपके लिए यहाँ पर देखो, एंड दिस इज एन ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स. ये हमारा ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्स में यशस्विनी, यू कैन सी दिस ऑक्टाहेड्रन, एक फेस ऑफ द ऑक्टाहेड्रन, 8 faces will be there in the octahedron, right? And Suresh Kumar, I miss you. What is this beta? Came late, come on, how are you? And the same type of ligands are there on one face of this octahedron. So this is what you can say better you take like this, same ligands are same. So this is your ammonia, so this is a facial isomer. Suresh, how are you? And talking about the meridional isomer, in this meridional isomer you can say this is a meridional line, and you will be getting the same type of ligands over there. The FAQ and MER, geographic isomer, Kushi Gupta, no, geometrical isomerism, geometrical isomerism. Let's talk about the optical isomerism. The compounds having the same structure but differ in their optical properties are called optical isomers, and the phenomena is known as optical isomerism. When the plane of polarized light is passed through the compound can rotate the plane of polarized light. This phenomena is known as optical activity, and in this optical activity, okay, so the light, plane of polarized light, the light is going to interact with the molecule inside the solution, because we are passing the light into the solution containing compound containing solution, and because of that interaction light is going to change it. Light has the interactive properties with the molecules. Yes, such compounds are called optically active compounds. So what is the criteria? What is the criteria to say the compound to be optically active? Suresh Kumar, you tell your opinion. Suresh Kumar, you tell your opinion. So dissymmetry is the essential condition for showing optical activity. The molecule should be structurally dissymmetrical, then only it show optical activity. And so the pair of compounds which are mirror images in each other when they are in the structures, they are called mirror images, they are called enantiomers. One is a dextrorotatory, another one is a levorotatory. The pair of dextro and levorotatory compounds are said to be enantiomers. They are non-superimposable mirror image structures. So they are called enantiomers. And the main difference between these two isomers, that both isomers rotate the plane of polarized light. One is towards the left, another one is towards the right, opposite to each other. The magnitude is also same, but one is plus, another one is minus. And let us talk about dextro and levorotatory mixture. So when you talk about this complex CrEn twice, Cn twice. So in that, this is a trans isomer because two cyanides on the opposite side. So when you cut this molecule, you are going to get equal to half. So it is a symmetrical molecule. If you want to cut this molecule like this part is same as this part. So as this structure is symmetrical, this is not optically active. So not optically active means achiral, you can say it is achiral. And when you talk about its cis isomers is the optically active, so this part and this part is going to be opposite, is not same, because and you can see this part is different from this part is different from this part. So this part is going on the other way, you can see. So this is called chiral molecule. So octahedral complex bidentate ligands वाला एक एग्जाम्पल कुशी गुप्ता, एंड और एक एग्जाम्पल आपका ये जो COEN thrice, COEN thrice, this is going to be optically active, and this is your mirror image, this is your mirror image. So if this compound is seen on the mirror, this compound appears like that, but this structure is different, this molecule is different, these two looks as if they are mirror images. And also you can say cis form of this CO NH3, so CO EN twice Cl2, you are going to have a cis as well as a trans. जनरली एक टेक्निक चलता है हर क्लास में जहाँ पर ऑक्टाहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस है ना, जनरली आई जस्ट वांट टू से नॉट ए रूल, बट जनरली सिस आइसोमर्स आर ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव, ट्रांस आइसोमर्स आर नॉट. So sometimes you say some trans isomers are also seem to be like that, but here cis isomer of this is going to be optically active. We will be having mirror images, and trans is not optically active. So you are going to have the plane of symmetry, okay, plane of symmetry. And also you can say this structure and this structure optical activities, optically inactive COEN twice Br2, COEN twice Cl2, optically active. It all depends upon the trans or cis. So this is a trans isomer, this is a cis isomer, and optically inactive because this is actually a trans, and with respect to this is a cis, doesn't matter, both are optically inactive, both cis as well as in the trans in this case. Kushi Gupta, you just try to identify the structures, how they are going to have their own structural parameters to decide the optical activity. So based on that, a structure will be given, you apply all types of isomerism in that, so that you can have a question based on that. So a question, 4-5 questions we discuss, and will check our confidence level, my dear students. So मैं हमारा तरफ से बच्चों लोग को कुछ भला करने का हमारा तरफ से ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, आपकी भला होगा. And you please like this session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Lane YouTube channel. Okay, that's good. Let's talk about what is the answer for this. When 1 mole of CrCl3.6H2O is treated with excess of AgNO3, so 3 mole of AgCl are obtained. The formula of the complex is answer Suresh Kumar, Kushi Gupta. Answer मेरे को आंसर देने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So it gives us 3 mole of AgCl. So 3 mole of AgCl देने के लिए 3 Cl चाहिए, so that AgNO3 से react करने तो 3 mole of AgCl precipitate करना है quantitatively. So for that, who can give 3 mole of Cl ions? So that CrH2O6 and 3 plus and 3 Cl minus. So this is going to be your answer. Kushi, समझ में आ रही क्या? Simple versions to answer these NEET type of examination questions. It is there from NCERT. ठीक है, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 4. एनी डाउट खुशी गुप्ता, सुरेश कुमार? अरे थोड़ा सा एक्टिव भी रहो चार्ट बॉक्स में. और एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए, इंडिकेट द कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन व्हिच शोस ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म, व्हिच शोस ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म. आप करना है, you will you do or you want me to do? Will you do or you want me to do? It is an octahedral complex. In this octahedral complex, you can see Cr H2O4 and Cl2, and this is Cl and Cl. So this is plus, and also Cr Cl, and it is Cl H2O 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 and H2O. One is two chlorines on the opposite side, it is called as a trans, and another one is going to be cis. So I just want to show it shows geometrical isomerism. Option 1 is the correct answer for this question, right? Pari, Kushi and Suresh Kumar, come on, you can't say it is 1. So which shows, आप उल्टा दिया, which do not show. Okay, now option 1 सही होगा. खुशी गुप्ता, corrected. I like your attention, so I don't mind that you are doing wrong, but it is correct. And due to the presence of ambidentate ligands, coordination compounds, isomerism. Palladium complex of this type, what type of isomerism you can get it? What kind of isomerism you are going to get it? Make it fast. जल्दी जल्दी करो. जहां पर एम्बिडेंटेड लिगेंड आता है ना, वहां पर आपका क्या मिलेगा? लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म मिलेगा. लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म. हियर SCN thiocyanate, isothiocyanate, लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म. ऑप्शन क्या होगा आपका? आंसर 1 लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म होगा. समझे? लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म होगा. और एक है, अरे this is the maximum level of question from the NCERT based NEET preparation. And let us talk about the compounds CuSO4NH35Br and CuSO4NH35Cl present. What kind of isomerism? They provide different ions when their solutions are made. What are the different types of ions that can be provided? So this is going to give CO, SO4, NH3 5 times and Br minus, and this is going to provide CO, SO4, NH3 5, Cl, and they are going to provide different ions. They are actually not isomers. They are actually not isomers. They are actually not isomers. खुशी, they are actually not isomers. Their molecular formula बराबर नहीं है. ऑप्शंस गलत दिया शायद, है ना? You just take care of what exactly is asking. And let us talk about the last question of the day. A chelating agent has 2 or more donor atom to bind. Which of the following is not a chelating agent? What is the meaning of chelation? So when a ligand binds to the central atom, it forms a ring. That rings gives rise extra stability, and this phenomena is known as chelation and chelate effect. And chelation happens with oxalato, C double bond O, C double bond O, O minus, and if this is the central atom, you are going to get a ring like thing, है ना, this is a ring, oxalato, it is done. And a glycinato, what is the meaning of glycinato? Let us talk about the structure of glycinato, CH2, COO minus and NH2. If this is the central atom, you are going to get the ring like this. So glycinato is also a chelating ring where you are going to get rings. Ethane 1,2 diamine. What is ethane 1,2 diamine? So CH2 and CH2 and NH2 and NH2, and this is a central atom where you are going to get a ring like structure. So this is also ethane 1,2 diamine. It is represented like this, and it represented like this, and it represented like this, OX. Whereas thiosulfato, it is S2O3 2 minus, is not a chelating ligand, it is simply bidentate ligand. Option 1 is the correct answer for this question. So today we discussed about what is isomerism and structural stereoisomerism, and beautiful examples and also very good questions based on each and every question. So that hope you enjoyed today's class. Kushi Gupta, a thumbs up and fire emoji at the end of the session. So we are done for the day, and we'll meet with more stuff in the next question, next class, and get ready and prepare the questions that have been posted in the Telegram channel. Get connected every day. You please attend the classes, and please like and share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. Thank you very much.